guys.
Hello, welcome back.
Sarah and Lauren here. Spring is sprung and it's time to bring out your spring blossoms.
Bring out your blossoms.
Bring out your blossoms. So the base is always a nice stick branchiness. Like I love on my mantle, I have a big glass jug and I do just some natural sticks in it all year long. Now that spring is here, we have some beautiful spring touches that you can add. This kind of works like a skeleton or a frame to kind of hold, you know, it will keep everything from falling down in if you have these sticks, but it also adds a bit of natural. And these textured blossoms are just completely shapeable, so you can kind of intertwine them in the willow, or you can even just cut a limb out of your yard. Any kind of stick will do, but
yeah, this is one of those branches too that's as much about it having a pretty dark branch and minimal blooms. So this red is a great one, but we have them in more. Stop shaping.
I can't stop shaping.
Stop shaping. But we also have them in a really, really classic white.
This is our, thing that we always throw different seasonal stuff in is these sticks. So the blossoms are perfect to kind of stay airy. And yeah, every little detail on how you shape it, point your blossoms to kind of show the color. This is where any kind of a stick is kind of your foundation. So fill that height with just an inexpensive stick of some sort and then start adding in your texture or color.
Yeah.
So those are two spring options. Forsythia, we've talked about how much that's a quintessential spring flower and a lot of people love. You can do curly willow in a door basket or a wall basket. It's so pretty. And then I adore these cherry blossoms. These are, can we get a close-up on these?
She adores
Can we get a close-up on these? They are so, so pretty. I mean, their detail in that petal and the leaf. If you've ever tried to buy these fresh, they always bud, and they never get to this beautiful blossom. So
no, it's really, really pretty. It's a pink, which sometimes is a little intimidating to people, but it's one of those pinks that would just play really well into so many of the colors we have going. And then
is color. Yeah, go for color in the spring. Is a vibrant punch, to kind of give you some cheer.
Please buy them so she'll stop talking about them. I'm sick of hearing about them.
I love them.
She loves them so much. Yeah, come in, check them out. They're on our website. Lots of options. We'd be happy to help you with any containers you have in your home or help you pick out new. We just got a huge shipment. We just saw the UPS guy go by.
Can you pick up a package in a minute or no?
What are you videoing?
Take your time, man.
All the spring color, it makes us feel happy this time of year. So.
Yeah, hope you guys are well. Thanks so much. Bye.
Out your blossoms or bring out your jugs. Sarah, bring out
That's
your
a
jugs.
totally different holiday.
Bring out your jugs, Sarah.
Come on. All right, so there's one jug. We'll start. We'll just keep going. So we've got, this is a red blossom branch. We can't get it back together. Sorry.
Well,
Wow, we went there real fast, didn't we? All right. If you can't laugh, guys, what are you going to do?